we are dealing with the PMT function in Excel. So how to use PMT function to find the monthly payment required for a particular loan amount, or how much we need to invest monthly to get an amount that we can use as a savings. So there are two problems here. The problem number one is this, and problem number two is this. So in the first problem, we have given that interest rate is 8% and the number of months of payment is 10 months and the amount of loan borrowed is 10,000 US dollar. So basically, what will be the monthly payments or EMIs we need to pay so that it will cover entire within 10 months. So our the number of months we have is 10 months and annual interest rate is 8 percentage and the amount of loan is 10,000 US dollar. And these payments are due either at the end of period or at the beginning of period. Depending upon whether it is at the end of period or at the beginning of period, we have two monthly payment amount. So let's first find if the payments are due at the end of period. For that, just click equal to then type PMT. So the problem is here we don't know what are the values comes here. So first is rate. Rate means interest rate. So for monthly payment, we need to provide this rate of interest as monthly interest. So and NPER, that is number of payments required. Here it is 10 and PV is present value and FV is future value. Present value of loan amount is 10,000 and future value is 0. And the type is whether this interest is calculated at the end of period or at the beginning of period. If it is at the end of period, we provide here type as 0 or we don't write anything. And if we write 1 here for type, we will get the payment due at the beginning of period. Okay. Now let's calculate at the end of period. So the rate is 8 by 12. Why we are providing 12? Because we need monthly payments. If we need quarterly payments, we need to divide by 4. We like that. If we need a weekly payment, we need to divide with 52. Like like that. Now, how many number of payments? Like we have 10 months. So we need 10 number of payments. That is 10. Then what is present value? Present value is 10,000. What will be the future value? After paying entire loan amount, it will be 0, right? So, and here, see, it is very clear that 0 means at the end of period. The payment due at the end of period. And the payment due at the beginning of period means it's 1. So, here it's at the end of period. Again, we provide 0. Then, press enter. This is the loan amount that we need to pay. The problem is here. We have seen that the amount here is negative. So something is wrong here. Okay. So what is that wrong? So we just need to provide only these values. Okay, and if you enter, and do you know why this result happened? Because the problem is here it should be in percentage, right? Interest rate is in percentage. So we should provide it as 8%, or otherwise we need to write 0.08, whichever comfortable we can provide. Then if we hit enter, we get the minimum monthly payment. The negative sign indicate we need to pay. And similarly, if the payment is at the end of period, sorry, end of period, then we can also provide like this. 8, 8 total. Then what is the number of payments? Then amount, okay. Then future value 0. Then at the beginning of period, why why it is like that? Because here we mentioned the dollar. So because it is a dollar, we can either specify the loan amount along here, like 10,000, then hit enter. Then you get it. You can see slight difference. If at the beginning and at the end of there is a slight difference. So this is the one method, one problem. Okay.